Bob.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Are you looking for a house here in Lorette?
I am.
Well, I have just the place for you, Vanna.
Perfect.
All right, Vanna.
All right.
Let's start here in the kitchen. Check out all these cabinets. Check out all this space. You have these nice big windows coming into your dining room area here. What do you think, Vanna?
I love it.
Ooh.
So much cupboard space.
If the price is right,
Yeah.
you know it. All right, Vanna, if you like that, imagine your new kitchen. All right, Vanna, right off your dining room, you have your very own sunroom.
Wow.
Check out this 3-season sunroom. You'll spend all your days and all your nights in here in this cozy atmosphere. Imagine your new sunroom. All right, Vanna, let's go right here through the dining room into your living room.
Wow.
What do you think? Look at the nice bay window. You got that extra window over there. Nice wood on the walls. Vanna, this is your dream living room. Or, Vanna, your new living room. All right, Vanna, let's keep going. There's more cabinets over here. And here we go into the primary bedroom. There's a nice walk-in closet, a big window to the backyard. And this again can be yours if the price is right. Hey Vanna, your new bedroom! Right, Vanna, how are you enjoying that jet tub?
Oh, it's amazing.
Experience bathroom right off the main bedroom. All right, Vanna, come on in here. Right now, this room is used as a multi-purpose. You have the laundry up here, but there's full hookup downstairs. Don't worry. This could be a bedroom. This is a utility room. It's whatever you want, Vanna.
Perfect.
Hey, Vanna, what do you think of the place so far?
I think it's great. You know what I would use this room for?
What?
I would use it for my main bedroom.
Oh, because it's so big.
Yeah.
Great idea. What about like this? Right, Vanna, let's head downstairs into bedroom number 3.
Wow.
Or would you like this bedroom like this, Vanna? Vanna, where are you? Oh,
Hi, Bob.
You're in the basement workshop. Cool. Right, Vanna, here we are in the lower level rec room area. Look at this big space.
Wow.
You have so much room down here. And imagine, it could look like this. All right, Vanna, it's not every day that your house comes with a walk-in cooler.
Look at that, Bob.
Right, Vanna, come out of the shower and check out this utility room. You've got all the room here to put that washer and dryer. You got loads and loads of cabinet space.
Wow.
And you're ready with your central vac. Right, Vanna, let's go. Watch your step here. Take a look at the sunroom here from outside. Look how beautiful. And now let's go over to your detached garage with heated shop. All right, Vanna, before we go inside, I just take a look at this gorgeous yard. You got 0.68 of an acre here.
Yep.
And now we're gonna go inside of this beautiful detached garage. Right here, we have our heated shop, which is every man's dream. That's the double attached garage. Right, Vanna. Call our next contestant down. For the price is right game for these keys here in Lorette on River Road. This could all be yours if
the price is right.
Yeah. For more information on how to make these keys your new home, call Jennifer Lorette at 371-2432. Have a great day.